kind of a different trip than I expected, on the good side, because when I left last night about 1 o'clock heading for Oceanside, California, I was thinking I would be pulling parts from the new KLR to the old KLR and then get rid of this one. Pleasant surprise is this KLR is pristine. I mean, it's nice. For the $2,500, it's nice. The other one was $1,200, but it sat out a couple years. So I think it's going to be the reverse. So yeah, it turned out to be a good trip because this bike was better than I expected. I wasn't expecting it to be really nice, and I think the plan is going to be to pull the parts off my current KLR650 and put on this one, and then kick my other bike out the door. I paid $12. I should be able to get $25 for it. I mean, it runs good and everything's up to snuff on it. But yeah, I think this one's going to kind of stay here. You know, it's got a new Dunlop 606 rear tire. It's got like 3 miles the guy said on it. And the bike's just beautiful. The rims are shiny, the spokes are shiny, and that's all the difference of this bike being inside and the other bike was sitting outside. Probably not more than 40 miles apart. That's just the difference. And this one here, it's got a Lex exhaust, and so I'm going to pull the power bomb off of mine and put on this, and you know, just make this one like my other one. But this one will probably be sticking around for a while. I kind of got comfortable with the KLR650, and everything on this guy works, and it's up to date and way better than I expected. You know, anytime you can buy a dual sport for $2,500 cash, and it's got a 9,000 miles on it, and it's you know, it's up to date. You know, the guy just had a mechanic go through the thing, and he said he had an $800 bill from the guy. You know, so yeah, the bike starts right up. I haven't ridden it, so you know, hopefully it's got more than one gear, but the guy was really cool, so I'm not worried about that at all. You know, he offered, and I said, nope, I'm here, so I'm not gonna not take it. So anyway, but just a long trip, just because I was up yesterday, and then I left last night about 1, and it is 6:17 p.m. the day after, and then I still got about 2 hours, 3 hours drive. So I'll get something before I go home to eat, and I'm just gonna crash and sleep until I go to work tomorrow. But it seems like I've been off for a long time, but I just haven't had any sleep. I had about an hour at the beach. So anyway, but a good trip, and yeah, I'll be doing another big video on this thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna maybe throw something up. I doubt it tonight, but probably tomorrow, just something on it. So anyway, that's the new bike, and yeah, I think this one's going to kind of hang around for a while. I wasn't planning, you know, I bought that first KLR just to kind of ride it, put miles on it, and then kick it to the curb, but I wasn't expecting to like it at all, or you know, want to keep one in the stable. But yeah, I know why the people are kind of fond of them, and that's why I actually bought the Cowies, because I would always trash out the KLR, and you know, when I had that chance to buy that one for $1,200, I thought, well, let me put my money where my mouth is and see how I like it. And you know, it's not a bad bike. You know, they're all three different for different types of uses, really. I'd say the DR650 sits firmly in the middle. XR650 more dirt oriented, but it can do road. And then the KLR more road worthy, but it can do some off road, or yeah, some forest roads and trails. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video. I was just kind of bored, starting to get sleepy. I did get an ice water and a hot coffee. So anyway, that'll get me home. Talk to you guys later. Bye.